As an investor in Dubai, two things are always top of mind: assured returns and always looking to the future. Luckily, there's a brand new project that offers both. In a first of its kind, Tranquil Wellness by Wellcube developers is the first fully wellness integrated project, which offers its investors 8.5% net returns for 5 years. They are able to do this by not only focusing on the tourist market, but also creating truly local demand. Strategically located on the edge of JBT, overlooking the beautiful Emirates Hills and Jumeirah Island communities. This building will have 5 levels, that is 65,000 square feet of wellness services, from Eastern medicine to physiotherapy and even aesthetic services. But what about the apartments themselves? Inspired by the natural elements of fire, water, earth, wind, and space, each unit has been beautifully designed to fit an array of tastes. Configurations include 1 bedrooms from 850,000 dirham and spacious 2 bedrooms from 1.1 million dirham. For those wanting a little bit more space, you do have the option of joining 2 units and creating a 3-bedroom. Every single unit comes fitted with water and air purifiers, a vitamin C infused shower head, specially designed memory foam mattresses for a good night's sleep, and a dawn simulator to mimic the sunrise. Start your day with an at-home workout in front of the interactive exercise mirror, or go for a treatment at the spa before having a beautiful dinner at one of the fine dining restaurants right inside your building. Be at the forefront of innovation. Well home, well heal, well food. Welcome.